Welcome, nature enthusiasts, to another exciting episode of the Red-Tailed Hawk Family series. Today, we embark on a thrilling journey as we witness the remarkable milestones in the lives of a red-tailed hawk family. Our feathered protagonists, a devoted hawk couple, have successfully raised two adorable hawklets in their lofty nest. As we peer into their world, our focus turns to the momentous occasion when the hawklets take their first flights. Get ready to be captivated as these young raptors spread their wings and venture beyond the confines of their nest. The air is charged with anticipation, and the skies beckon them to explore. With newfound confidence, the two hawklets leap from branch to branch, honing their aerial skills. It's a spectacle of nature in action, as these majestic creatures gracefully navigate the treetops, testing their wings and pushing the boundaries of their comfort zone. But the adventure doesn't end there. Watch closely as the hawklets, fueled by curiosity, descend to the ground below. This is a pivotal moment in their development, as they learn to adapt to different terrains and sharpen their hunting instincts. Join us on this heartwarming journey as we witness the fledglings' triumphs and challenges, their first attempts at flight, and their daring landings on the forest floor. Nature's classroom is open, and we have front row seats to observe the next generation of red-tailed hawks taking flight. Stay tuned for an unforgettable adventure with our red-tailed hawk family, where each flap of the wings brings us closer to the awe-inspiring wonders of the natural world. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and let's soar together as we track the incredible journey of these young raptors.
Lang. He's gonna throw up a pellet, so
Yeah.
you could put you over here. to do it and let's do it. Right.
As the sun sets on another day in the lives of our red-tailed hawk family, we reflect on the beauty and resilience of these magnificent creatures. Today, we've witnessed the hawklets' daring flights, their exploration of the world beyond the nest, and the unwavering determination that propels them forward. Nature's delicate balance unfolds before our eyes, reminding us of the interconnectedness of all living things. The journey of the red-tailed hawk serves as a poignant reminder of the fragility and strength inherent in the circle of life. As we conclude this chapter in the Tracking Red-Tail series, we express our gratitude for being able to share these intimate moments with you. Your support fuels our passion for bringing the wonders of the natural world into your homes. Remember to like, share, and comment below to let us know your thoughts on this mesmerizing journey. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel for more captivating adventures in the wild. Together, let's continue to celebrate and preserve the beauty of our planet. Until next time, fellow nature enthusiasts, may your days be filled with the soaring spirit of the red-tailed hawks. Wishing you a world of wonder and a sky full of dreams. Take care, and see you in the next episode.